लाइफ इज नॉट ईजी. ये जो गिफ्ट हमें दिया है, इट इज नॉट दैट ईजी टू अस टू सर्वाइव. हमें बहुत सारी चीजों से, बहुत बचपन से हमें बहुत सारी चीजों से जाना पड़ता है, एंड वी ऑल हैव बीन थ्रू दैट सिचुएशंस. द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स दैट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड नो द फैक्ट दैट एवरीथिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस इन दिस एग्जिस्टेंस. तो
एवरीथिंग इन आवर लाइफ इज टेम्पररी. जो चीजें आती हैं वो जाती हैं.
It's okay if you feel that you're hiding your true self from the society because the society won't accept who you truly are. It's okay if you think you have failed in something. It's okay if you couldn't achieve what you really wanted.
Don't take things too hard in the sense of whether it is victory, whether it is defeat, whether it is something excellent that happens, or if it is something really bad that happens. I don't make too much of it. Yes, I get happy, I do get sad, but I don't let that dictate my life. I don't
give less importance to what others think about you. The most important thing is what you think about yourself.
At times in life there are moments when, despite of all of our achievements, despite of having so many reasons to smile, we end up feeling lonely. Maybe because that's there's certain space that's empty. That emptiness, it needs to be filled with a certain person or an emotion.
आप भी ऐसी कोई चीज से गुजर रहे हैं, आप किसी चीज से परेशान हो, तो आप अपने मन में मत रखिए, बिकॉज चीजें आपको अंदर ही अंदर खा जाती हैं. आप रीच आउट कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड को, अपने मॉम डैड को. आपके आसपास ऐसे कोई हैं जिन्हें मदद की जरूरत है, जिसे देखकर आपको लगता है दैट दे आर क्वाइट लोनली, वो कुछ एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, दे आर इन सम काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेस, तो आप डेफिनेटली उन्हें रीच आउट कीजिए. आप उनसे पूछिए कि उन्हें क्या चीज है जो सता रही है.
connection with your own self. There should be no one for you to tell you what your worth is, and there should be no one to tell what you are going through. You should know what you have been going through, and it is fine whatever is happening. We all are in this together, so just have a peace of mind. Just
life is about the so many more moments. Like, just because you're facing so many problems now doesn't mean there are no good days coming in front of you.
The highs and the lows are just a part of who I am, and they don't define me. I think I define myself, so that is definitely one of the things that helps me.
not कुछ भी आपके लाइफ में हो रहा है, it is not your fault, and at the most important thing, आप इस चीज में alone नहीं हो. We all go through a lot of things. That is whatever basis पे individual depends. Like वो लोग अपने हिसाब से बोलते हैं कि भाई मैं ही बहुत सारी चीजों से जा रहा हूँ, ये चीज मेरी लाइफ में हो रही है, I am only the victim, but that is not
Who you truly are or what you're truly doing. You have a role to play in this earth, in this world. You are meant to be. And we all go through something or the other. And someday we will get what we really want, if that's what we truly want.
The only thing you can do to help a person is to be there, is to lend a helping hand if needed.
Don't stress over things that you can't control, because it's life and it's going to happen. What's going to happen, you stressing over it is not going to change anything. So it's very important that you don't do that.
Please, whenever you're in difficult times, just affirm yourself that you are worth it, you can do this, and you got this.
Darkest time, my friend, is just before the dawn. Give time some time. I'm sure it has something beautiful in store for you. One must not judge everyone. One must not try to understand where someone else is coming from without knowing them as a person. Because when you truly get to know a person, you'll truly understand what they've gone through, or what their way of thinking is, what their perspective towards life is.
Know yourself better, and you know, don't depend on others for your happiness. Do not depend on others for your happiness. It's very important that you know what you like and what you dislike.
No one else will help us get up. It's us. It's me. It's I who will help my own self. And I am not alone because I have me. Love yourself before you love anyone else. It's mental health. It's only you who can help yourself, and it's only you who can do it because you are important.
ज्यादा मतलब आप अपने आप को ही ज्यादा जानते हो. नो वन विल अंडरस्टैंड. हाँ, बोलने के लिए लोग हैं, सुनने के लिए लोग हैं, बट यू नो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग थ्रू, यू नो व्हाट इमोशंस यू आर बिल्डिंग अप इनसाइड योरसेल्फ. सो अपने आप से वो रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड करो. टॉक टू योरसेल्फ. जस्ट राइट डाउन व्हाट एवर यू फील लाइक एंड जस्ट हैव दैट टाइम सराउंडेड बाय योरसेल्फ. अपने आप की इमोशंस को ज्यादा बिल्ड करने की कोशिश करो.
Like, sometimes people just need to talk to somebody, and maybe you don't get a solution to it, but definitely it makes your heart lighter, and that's what a person need if he or she is going through a depression.
Thinking on how to please others or how to be accepted by others. Rather, spend that time and energy in improving yourself as a person, as a human being.
इट्स फाइन. ये जस्ट एक टेम्पररी इमोशन है जो हमारे लाइफ में एज अ स्टैटिस्टिक लेवल में आता रहता है. तो उससे कोई बड़ी डिसीजन नहीं लेना अपने लाइफ में.
If you love yourself, you don't care what the people say, and that's what you really need. Stop caring about people, like what they say. Accept your family. Family should always be your priority.
Do a bit of research. Even if you are in low state, do research, because you don't want to go through that phase, and that is not nice. That phase is really not nice.
Really benefits me is that my hobby is also my career. So whenever I do get an acting gig or I'm directing something, that also becomes me time. That's not time that I feel is kind of separate of me, or I am being punished to work in that sense. So that really helps me.
हौसला मत छोड़ो. बी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड कीप योर हार्ट स्ट्रॉन्ग. अगर आप कोई भी प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हो तो आप उसे अकेले मत फेस कीजिए. आप अपने नियर वंस को बताइए. सिमिलरली, अगर आप अपने आसपास ऐसे किसी को देखते हो तो आप हेल्प जरूर कीजिए. वी आर ऑल इन दिस टुगेदर. टेक केयर. स्टे हेल्दी. स्टे सेफ.
वो आपके इंडिविजुअल ग्रोथ के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. नेगेटिव चीज आने से, अचानक आने से, बहुत ज्यादा वे में आने से आप डिप्रेस हो जाते हो. आप बहुत ज्यादा चीजें फेस करते हो, एंड देन यू जस्ट end up doing things that is not worth, and that is something which is just stupid at the end of the day. So just know the fact that it is not easy to just let go life and just let go the temporary basis. चीजें के ऊपर मोस्ट लाइफ लॉन्ग डिसीजन लेना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. तो रिग्रेट नहीं रखना कोई भी डिसीजन ले रहे हो तो.
Guys, just hang in there and love yourself.
Thank you so much, guys, for just hearing me out. Share this video if you feel like for any of your friends and anyone who is going through anything, but just for a reason, and be there for each other whenever needed. That will just not help them, but that will also help you. Thank you so much for all the individuals in the video who helped me out for making this video so helpful and so worth. Important as humans to help each other and not leave each other alone when it is needed. So I hope that you like this video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys. Take care. Stay safe. Take care of your family, and yeah, love you.